Okay, narcissists and children. So one thing about a narcissist that I noticed is they do not have children because they want to pour into their children, or because they want to give them love, or because they want to create a foundation that gives a nurturing environment for them children to grow up and have a legacy, a really solid reason. No, narcissists have children solely for the purpose of those children to take care of them when they get older. Let's talk about it. And if they do not do what it is that they want, if they do not conform to their likes and their dislikes, what they're going to do is they're going to go to the nearest child that is doing what it is that they want and pull the energy off of them. And they do that all throughout their life. They ping back and forth between the kids like a ping pong on whoever is following their rules the most. So if they're having a hate phase and a disagreeable phase with one of the kids, they're going to go to that next kid and they're going to build that relationship with them, and they're going to triangulate the situation so that other kid hates the kid that they're now beefing with. It's just an ongoing cycle of toxicity that never ends. And by the time that they're old, now they're in need of somebody to pour into them. What they're going to do is they're going to pull their strings, and they're going to expect that because they've had these little things that they've done for their kids in their lifetime, and they've had energetic plugs here and there. So maybe they gave one of their kids some money when they needed work done on their car, or maybe they bought the grandchildren an outfit here and there, or they sent them a stroller, or they wished them a happy birthday, on a good day. They think that those little energetic nuggets are enough for that type of submission and that type of exchange of support. All of those years of abuse, all of those years of toxicity still earns them the reward of receiving love, financial support, independency as a senior citizen or as an adult in their latter years of life, now in need of elderly care. 9 times out of 10, because they have not been taking proper care of themselves, and they've built up so much energetic residue and karma that they have no one else to turn to. So that's the mindset of a narcissist. They have children simply because they want somebody to take care of them, and they expect those kids to take care of them in return, because they want recognition and a reward. Recognition for simply bringing the children in the world, and that adding to their image, and a reward for helping them survive. Putting those children in survival mode, because that's all the narcissists do. They create an environment that is traumatic and also creates dysfunction in those children in survival mode, because best believe those children will not receive true love and genuine support. They're going to be receiving energetic bondage.